Our presentation is based on the poet Rabindranath Tagore's play Valmiki Pratikha. We know of Valmiki as a great sage who composed the epic Ramayana. But did you know that he started his life as a robber chief? We are the spirits of the forest, and we will tell you the story of how he was reformed by the grace of the goddess Saraswati, how he saw hunters shoot a bird, and in his grief he spoke the first Sanskrit sloka, how he passed a test set by the goddess Lakshmi, and finally how goddess Saraswati appeared to him, blessed him, and told him that he would write the greatest epic that India had ever known. In his early days, Valmiki had been a fierce robber chief. He and his followers terrorized the countryside, killing, looting, and plundering. The goddess Saraswati knew that he had a different destiny. So she disguised herself as a little village girl and allowed Valmiki's followers to kidnap her. When they brought her to Valmiki, she sang to him about compassion. The power of Saraswati's words, spoken in a little child's voice, changed the robber chief's heart. And he forever gave up his violent ways. His robber followers are appalled at this transformation, and angrily they leave him. Valmiki wanders alone in the forest for many days. He is filled with repentance for all the crimes he has committed. And he wonders, what purpose will he find for the rest of his life? But wait, he is not alone. There are two hunters in the bushes, and they are taking aim with their bows and arrows at two beautiful birds who are singing high up in the branches. Valmiki is heartbroken, and before he even realizes it, the words come out of his mouth. The words he just spoke were in Sanskrit. Valmiki is stunned. He is an uneducated man. By what miracle did he speak in Sanskrit, the language of the gods and the great sages? What new direction is his life about to take? But is Valmiki truly ready? The ex-robber chief has learned compassion, but has he conquered greed? He must pass a test, for another goddess appears before him. The goddess Lakshmi, who offers him unlimited wealth and a life of ease. Valmiki bows to Lakshmi with great respect and turns down her offer. Gold and wealth have no attraction for him anymore. Valmiki passes the test. Lakshmi blesses him and departs. A bright silver light fills the dark forest, and earth and heaven rejoice as the goddess Saraswati appears.
Zero